Eggs are one of the most celebrated foods on the planet, rich in protein, loaded with vitamins, and praised by doctors as a nutrient powerhouse. But what if the very food you've trusted for decades could quietly be harming your health after 60? Most seniors have been told that eggs are the perfect breakfast, simple, affordable, and healthy, and yes, they can be, but only if you know how to eat them the right way. The truth is, a few common mistakes people make with eggs every day can slowly work against your body's natural defenses. These habits can raise inflammation, strain your liver, affect cholesterol balance, and even make it harder for your body to absorb nutrients that protect your muscles and brain. Think about it. Your body at 60 doesn't process foods the same way it did at 30. Your metabolism slows down, your liver works harder, and your digestive enzymes change. That means even small diet choices now carry bigger consequences. An innocent breakfast omelet could be supporting your energy and heart health or quietly draining it. Here's the part most people don't realize. The danger isn't the egg itself. It's the way we prepare, combine, or store it that creates problems. Cooking it at the wrong temperature, pairing it with the wrong ingredients, or even eating it at the wrong time of day can flip its benefits into drawbacks. For example, overcooking eggs can destroy their delicate antioxidants. Pairing them with processed meats can multiply inflammation. And skipping the yolk, which many seniors still do out of cholesterol fear, can actually deprive your brain and eyes of key nutrients like choline and lutein. If you're over 60, your body needs smarter nutrition, not more restriction. Understanding these 7 common egg mistakes could help you protect your heart, strengthen your muscles, and stay mentally sharp well into your golden years. Because the truth is, eggs aren't the enemy, but poor habits are. And once you recognize them, you can turn this humble breakfast food into one of your strongest allies for longevity, energy, and health after 60. After 60, every meal choice has a deeper impact than most people realize. Your body no longer bounces back from nutritional mistakes the way it once did. Hormones shift, muscle mass declines, and the body becomes more sensitive to inflammation and oxidative stress. What once felt like a harmless breakfast habit can now influence how you age, how you feel, think, and move each day. That's why understanding these egg mistakes isn't just about diet, it's about protecting your long-term vitality. Eggs are dense in nutrients that support your heart, eyes, and brain, but only when they're handled properly. When seniors unknowingly prepare or combine them the wrong way, they can lose these benefits and even increase health risks such as cholesterol imbalance, liver strain, or poor digestion. The reality is that after 60, nutrition isn't just fuel, it's medicine. The foods you eat either heal or harm. And while eggs can absolutely be part of a healthy senior diet, the difference between harm and healing often comes down to subtle habits like cooking temperature, ingredient pairing, and meal timing. Many older adults focus on cutting calories or avoiding fat, but the real key is learning how to nourish the body efficiently. Every bite should work for you, not against you. Correcting these 7 common egg mistakes can support stronger bones, sharper focus, better heart health, and sustained energy, all essential to living independently and confidently. This matters because good health after 60 doesn't depend on drastic changes. It depends on small, smart corrections made consistently. By simply eating eggs the right way, you're not just preventing harm, you're actively building a foundation for longer, stronger, and more vibrant living. Eggs have long been a breakfast favorite, simple, versatile, and packed with nutrition. For many seniors, they've been a symbol of good health for decades. But after 60, the body's nutritional needs shift, and the way we handle even healthy foods starts to matter more. What once worked perfectly for your metabolism may now affect your heart, liver, or energy levels differently. The goal isn't to fear eggs, it's to understand them better. By learning how to prepare and eat them wisely, you can turn this everyday food into a source of strength, not stress. Unfortunately, most people over 60 still repeat a few hidden mistakes that slowly undermine the benefits eggs can offer. In this guide, we'll uncover the 7 most common egg mistakes seniors make and how correcting them can protect your health, balance your energy, and keep your body thriving well into later life. One of the most common and overlooked mistakes is overcooking eggs. Many people, especially seniors, believe that the longer you cook an egg, the safer and healthier it becomes. In reality, overheating eggs, whether by frying them until the edge is brown or boiling them until they turn rubbery, actually damages some of their most valuable nutrients. Eggs are rich in high-quality protein, essential amino acids, and delicate antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your eyes and brain. When exposed to high heat for too long, these antioxidants break down, reducing their protective power. The proteins also become tough and harder for your digestive system to process, which can lead to discomfort, bloating, and reduced nutrient absorption, especially in older adults with slower digestion. Even more concerning is what happens to the fats in the yolk. The natural fats in eggs are healthy and support your heart and brain, but when they're exposed to excessive heat, they oxidize. Oxidized fats can trigger inflammation and oxidative stress in your body, contributing to cellular aging, artery stiffness, and even cognitive decline over time. The solution is simple but powerful. Cook eggs gently, use lower heat and shorter cooking times. Poaching, soft boiling, or making lightly scrambled eggs preserves their nutrients far better than frying or hard boiling. The yolk should stay slightly soft, not dry or gray. For seniors, this one small adjustment can make a big difference. Properly cooked eggs are easier to digest, more nourishing, and far more beneficial for long-term health. Remember, it's not just what you eat. It's how you prepare it that determines whether it heals or harms your body after 60. For decades, many people have been told to throw away the yolk to avoid cholesterol. This advice might have seemed wise years ago, but today, science tells a different story, especially for adults over 60. Skipping the yolk is one of the most harmful egg mistakes seniors can make because it robs the body of essential nutrients that protect the brain, muscles, and eyes. The yolk is where most of an egg's nutrition actually lives. It contains choline, lutein, vitamin D, vitamin B12, and healthy fats, all crucial for aging well. Choline supports memory, nerve function, and focus, while lutein protects your eyes from age-related vision loss. These are nutrients your body can't make on its own, and deficiencies become more common after 60. When you remove the yolk, you're left with protein, but lose the balance that makes eggs so beneficial. The body absorbs protein more efficiently when it's paired with the fats and vitamins found in the yolk. Without that synergy, your muscles may not rebuild as effectively, and your energy levels may drop faster. It's also worth noting that the cholesterol in eggs isn't the villain it was once believed to be. For most people, dietary cholesterol has little effect on blood cholesterol levels. In fact, the healthy fats and antioxidants in yolks can help maintain proper HDL good cholesterol, balance, and support hormone production, both of which are essential as you age. So instead of discarding the yolk, embrace it. Choose pasture-raised or omega-3 enriched eggs whenever possible for even greater nutritional value. The yolk isn't something to fear. It's the golden center of vitality, especially for those who want to stay sharp, strong, and energized after 60. A plate of eggs with bacon or sausage might feel like a comforting breakfast classic, but for adults over 60, this combination can silently harm your health. While eggs themselves can support heart and brain function, pairing them with processed meats changes the story entirely. Processed meats, including bacon, sausage, and ham, are loaded with sodium, nitrates, and preservatives that can increase inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. When these compounds mix with the fats in eggs and are cooked at high temperatures, they form harmful byproducts called nitrosamines. These substances are linked to cellular damage, artery stiffness, and a higher risk of heart disease and certain cancers. For seniors whose blood vessels and metabolism are already more sensitive, this combination can accelerate aging from the inside out. Another issue is the salt content. A single serving of bacon or sausage can contain more sodium than your entire breakfast should have. Excess salt raises blood pressure, strains the kidneys, and contributes to fluid retention, all of which increase cardiovascular risk, especially in older adults. The solution isn't to give up eggs, it's to choose smarter companions. Replace processed meats with fresh anti-inflammatory sides like avocado, sautéed spinach, or grilled tomatoes. These foods not only enhance flavor but also provide antioxidants, fiber, and heart-healthy fats that help balance the meal. You can also try pairing eggs with sources of clean protein such as smoked salmon, turkey breast, or beans for a nourishing twist. This simple change reduces inflammation, supports circulation, and helps protect your heart and brain as you age. Remember, your breakfast sets the tone for your entire day. When you pair eggs with the right foods, you turn an ordinary meal into a powerful step toward longevity and vitality after 60. Many seniors enjoy eggs as a quick, simple breakfast, maybe with toast or on their own, but eating eggs without vegetables is a missed opportunity for your body, especially after 60. While eggs are rich in protein, vitamins, and healthy fats, they don't provide the fiber, antioxidants, and phytonutrients your aging body needs for balance and protection. Your body absorbs many of the egg's key nutrients, like vitamins A, D, E, and K, more efficiently when they're eaten with vegetables. These fat-soluble vitamins depend on the natural oils and fibers found in plants to be fully utilized. Without that combination, you might be consuming valuable nutrients but not absorbing them properly. Vegetables such as spinach, broccoli, kale, peppers, or tomatoes add essential antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that cause cellular damage and speed up aging. As we age, the body's natural antioxidant defense weakens, so getting extra support from colorful vegetables is crucial. They also provide fiber, which helps maintain a healthy gut microbiome. A strong gut supports better digestion, immunity, and even mental clarity. Combining eggs with vegetables also helps control blood sugar levels. This balance keeps energy steady throughout the day, preventing the mid-morning fatigue or cravings many older adults experience after a carb-heavy breakfast. A simple rule: the more color on your plate, the more protection for your body. Try a spinach and bell pepper omelet, boiled eggs with a side of sautéed greens, or even a vegetable-stuffed egg wrap. Each meal becomes not just a source of protein, but a shield against inflammation and age-related decline. Eggs on their own can nourish, but eggs with vegetables truly heal. This small, consistent habit can help you feel lighter, sharper, and more resilient every single day. Most people never think about when they eat their eggs, but timing matters more than you might imagine, especially after 60. The body's metabolism, digestive rhythm, and energy needs all change with age. Eating eggs at the wrong time can interfere with digestion, reduce nutrient absorption, and even throw off your body's natural energy balance. Eggs are rich in protein and fat, which makes them slower to digest. For this reason, they're best eaten in the morning, when your metabolism is naturally more active and your digestive system can process food efficiently. Eating eggs early supports steady energy, curbs midday cravings, and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Seniors who start their day with a protein-rich breakfast often report better focus, fewer energy crashes, and reduced appetite throughout the day. However, eating eggs late at night or too close to bedtime can create the opposite effect. Since digestion slows down in the evening, a heavy or protein-dense meal can cause bloating, reflux, or discomfort. This can disrupt sleep and leave you feeling sluggish the next morning. Poor nighttime digestion also affects how your body repairs tissues and balances hormones overnight, both essential for healthy aging. Another important aspect is consistency. Eating at irregular times can confuse your body's internal clock, leading to sluggish digestion, irregular hunger signals, and reduced energy. Seniors benefit greatly from maintaining steady meal timing, allowing the body to function predictably and efficiently. To get the best from your eggs, enjoy them earlier in the day, ideally paired with fiber and healthy fats. A balanced breakfast of eggs with vegetables and whole grains fuels your brain, muscles, and metabolism for hours. The right timing transforms eggs from a simple meal into a foundation for all-day strength and vitality. Not all eggs are created equal. Many seniors buy whichever carton looks freshest or cheapest, assuming all eggs offer the same benefits. But the truth is, the quality of your eggs directly affects your health. And after 60, that difference matters more than ever. Commercially raised eggs often come from hens fed low-quality grains, soy, and corn, sometimes treated with antibiotics or hormones. These hens live in stressful, confined conditions that reduce the nutritional quality of their eggs. The result is an egg that contains fewer omega-3 fatty acids, less vitamin D, and lower antioxidant content. Some may even contain traces of pesticides or harmful residues that strain your liver and immune system over time. In contrast, pasture-raised or omega-3 enriched eggs come from hens allowed to roam outdoors and eat natural foods like grass and insects. This diet dramatically boosts the egg's nutrient profile, providing more vitamin E, choline, lutein, and healthy fats. These nutrients support heart health, brain function, and muscle strength, all of which are crucial for seniors. You can often see the difference right away. A high-quality egg has a deep golden yolk, a firm white, and a clean, rich flavor. A pale yolk often signals an undernourished hen and a less nutritious egg. When you eat eggs daily, quality compounds over time, choosing nutrient-dense, chemical-free eggs means less inflammation, better digestion, and stronger overall resilience. It's a small decision that leads to long-term health dividends. To protect yourself, look for labels like pasture-raised, organic, or omega-3 enriched. Even better, buy from local farms or trusted markets where hens are treated humanely. You're not just buying an egg, you're investing in cleaner nutrition, stronger immunity, and a healthier future for your body after 60. After 60, your body speaks more clearly than ever, and food becomes one of its most powerful messages. Every meal is either helping you heal or holding you back. Eggs can be a source of strength, vitality, and clarity, but only when you understand how to use them wisely. These 7 simple corrections aren't about restriction. They're about respect for your body, your years of experience, and the energy you still deserve to feel every single day. Small changes make remarkable differences. Cooking gently, choosing quality, pairing with vegetables, and eating at the right time may seem minor, but they protect your heart, mind, and longevity in ways that medication alone never could. The good news is, it's never too late to start. Your body responds to care at any age. So approach every meal with awareness and intention. Let each egg you prepare be a choice toward balance, not convenience, toward nourishment, not habit. Your future health begins with today's smallest decisions. Treat food as medicine, honor your body's wisdom, and you'll find that vibrant, energized living after 60 isn't a dream. It's a daily possibility within your reach.